Hi guys, welcome to Hella's Talents Toy Reviews. Those are my birds up there. If you are interested in me doing a video on them, then I will show you guys a slime. This is a book all about slime. This is annual 2019. Open if you dare. Right here. I found these at Dolloarama. This was $4. This one was, I can't remember, but it is glow in the dark. Let's open it up and start playing with it. There are a plastic on it. This is bright orange. This is ages for 4 and up. Let's open it. Ooh. This one is sticky, not cold. It does glow in the dark. I will show you when it gets dark outside. When it gets dark out. I almost dropped it. If you guys are interested in getting more slime or viewing different kinds of slime or making my own slime, then I will definitely do that. If you would like that, leave it in the comments down below. You can also make a bubble or cup your hand in it. Or you can squish it. You can do pretty much anything with this. I have another one as well. Whoa, bubble. Well, let's put this one back in here. Cool. There. And it snaps on place. Cool. All right, let's look at the book here. It has you can make your own slime. There's a recipe in here. This is smelly slime. I will take a picture of this here page and the recipe, and you guys can follow that recipe on my Instagram. All right. There are who is getting slimed. Page right there. I also, there's like a whole bunch of interesting facts in this book. There's popping slime. I will definitely show you guys now. There's popping slime. I will definitely do take a picture of this here 2 pages also and post it on my Instagram. There's punk ketchup slime. Ew. Oh, forgot to show you that one. Sorry. Ew. There's a whole oh, there's also slime snot. Let's see. There it is. There's the recipe right there. I will be leaving, yeah. All of these ones here in this book, and all of them, some of them, about 5 of them, 5 recipes, actually 4 recipes that, yeah, 4 different recipes that you guys can make. I will put it in my on my Instagram. Yeah, on my Instagram. Alright, if you like slime, give this video a thumbs up. Please leave a friendly comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to go outside today and go have some fun. Bye! High five, guys.